Hi friends, in this video we discuss about what is indentation. Indentation is nothing but it's a white space at the beginning of the line. Okay. Indentation. So indentation is nothing but a white space, a white space at the beginning of a line. See, the indentation is nothing but a white space at the beginning of the line. I'll show you example in other languages how indentation takes place. See, example. I'll give example if A equals to 10, A equals to 7. If A greater than B, just I'm giving a colon, just press enter. So you are getting some indentation. I'll tell you now what is that. Print A is greater. A is greater. Then B. Then B. Okay. Else, see now just press enter. Print B is greater than A. See, indentation is nothing but the white space at the beginning of a line. See, this is the white space at the beginning of a line. This is the main advantage of this indentation is to define a scope in the code. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for the purpose. See, I'll save it and execute now. See the output, what you get. See, A is greater than B. That is the output. Okay. Next, if you don't give this indentation, what do you get? Just save it and execute. See this. This is what is error. Indentation error. Expected an indentation block after if statement on line 5. See in line 5, there is error. Okay, to overcome this, just press enter. Here, it give normally four spaces. Some it is depend upon the interpreter. My interpreter giving four spaces. Now execute this. We'll get A is greater than B. This is about our indentation. Not only this, this indentation works in for loops, while loop, if else, if alien, elif, everywhere this is in classes in functions. Indentation is very important. In these other languages, we discuss about curly brackets. Now I will show you how to use how we use curly brackets in other languages. Okay, let's go to the just let us solve the small program in C language. See, I'm just declaring Indian. Printf, enter the anywhere. Scanner. Now, say I'm using if n modulus 2 equal to 0. Then in Python, we're just giving colon, right? Here we should not give any colon. Just press enter. Do some curly braces. Enter. It is even number. Enter. Which is okay. It's okay. Okay. Next. Else. Enter. All number. Just save it. Now let's run the program. See, enter the value n is 8. See, it's your number. It's okay. Let us use enter the value of n 8. It's okay. Once again, it is showing. If you understand the logic, see, it is the your number. It's okay. Now you are getting the exact meaning of indentation, right? In other languages, we use curly braces. In curly braces, we define a code. Whereas in Python, we use some void spaces at the beginning of a line to define a scope in the code. In other programming languages, often we use curly brackets for the this purpose. Okay, this is a small. This is the indentation here. I think I explained a clear concept about indentation. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.